So technically, an AI agent is a system built around an LLM that can observe context, plan or choose actions, and pursue a goal over multiple steps. What separates an agent from a model that just generates text is the control loop. An agent can keep state, decide what to do next, use tools, and react to the results of its actions. In practice, an agent is best understood as an LLM plus memory, decision logic, and the ability to act in an environment. Think of the LLM being your brain and the agentic loop as the body that activates based on the brain decisions. First is reason. It's where the LLM interprets the user goal, the current state, and the available options to determine the best next step. Then you have act, which is the step where the LLM executes that step, whether by calling a tool, querying an API, retrieving information, or generating a response. Then observe is the stage where the agent takes in the result of that actions and updates its working state. This will give a fresh context for the next decision. Finally, deciding whether to continue is the control point. That is where the system determines whether the task is complete or whether it should loop again, which is what makes it an agentic system rather than a one-shot model. So beyond the code, I want the EITs to gain a clear overview of what AI can achieve today, especially for those who are still unfamiliar with the technology. And for the more software developers, EITs, I want them to understand the key concepts and components that make an agent in 2026. So all about context management, tools, skills, LLMs, MCPs. So we'll be exploring each of these concepts one at a time to see their advantages, their drawbacks, and when to use them. And once the EITs have a solid understanding of these building blocks, they will be able to think creatively and build agents that deliver real value for their startup project.